Well, me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed today, let's change the keyboard on this Latitude, Dell Latitude D610. This is a very old laptop, but you never know. Here there is a tab on the side, flathead screwdriver, and pull the whole thing out. There you go, just like that. And then there is two Phillips head screws. Let's try the largest I have. It is okay. Size is PH1. And just pull up and on the side like that. So how can I show you now? No. Again, the flat head. I didn't think about that. And to install the new one, just get it from here, place it back in. There is no locking mechanism, it's just a very tight fit. Press it in, clip all of the thing is bolted. Sorry. Clip all the clips bolted in, put the plastic on, and it's all good. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. Give it a like and I'll see you on to the next one. Bye bye.